So I missed the hook set, but I got a fish, and it's a pretty decent one. Ooh. Oh, don't go that way. I know, it's fine. I'll deal with that one in a minute. Oh, don't go in the... It's going in the weeds. All right, here it is. Let's see what it is. Oh, God. Big red fish. Big red fish. Oh, geez. Oh, God. Look at that.
I want to make something. Here, there's a fish for him.
Oh. Look at that.
Yum.
Oh, God.
Is that one that wanted to catch me?
Yeah. Yeah, I need the pliers. The hook's stuck.
There's a fish for him, Mommy.
Can you keep it?
Oh, I broke my hook. No, you gotta let him go.
He's huge.
Ow! Fuck! That hurt.